What's up, everybody? YouTube people, where I look? Right there. Okay, so I don't do these videos. Anyways, so I wanted to make a quick short video of a single turbo install on a 335 XI. Yeah, don't know where to look. And show you how that process goes. And an unboxing of the turbo, which is right here. Ta-da! And unwrapping of unboxing of a Draggy and my new high performance oil filter cap. So let's do those two small things first. Oh yeah, and this clutch valve delete thing from BMS. And in no way are they sponsoring me, but they can if they want to. So let's open up this oil filter. The lighting is not so great. It's okay. I'm not a YouTuber. I know you guys probably wondering. My name says 4x4 Runner, but I'm in Kentucky, and my 4Runner's in Guam. So no more none of that. Ooh, oh my gosh! Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. High performance. Very nice. Clutch valve delete. This is how it works. Ta-da! Yeah, that's all it does. Just let it through. Let it through. Okay. And Draggy. So what this does is you basically tie it on a string or a rope, or you can chain it and you toss it out your window, and then you just drag it on the road, and it measures. There's a small camera right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me open this right here. That's the small camera right there. You see how it's white? Can you see that? See that white thing? That's the camera. So basically you just hang it down and it just drags on the road, and it measures how far and how fast you go. And yeah, I also got this at BMS. Pretty good price to drag something. Anyways, what you guys are really here for. Oh wait, I want to make a shout out to Jake Spence for selling this shirt to me. Isn't that cool? Straight out of cash. Can you read it? I'm building a race car. Yep. So if you guys want to send me money, I'll take it. Let's go on to the unboxing of my new single turbo. Oh, by the way, I've been away for about a week. And these things came in while I was away. So I'm just excited to open up my single turbo and install it. I haven't even started the car yet since I've been back. It just came in last night. Can you see that? Can you see that? Is it backwards? I don't even know if you're reading it backwards. You probably are, because I have the thing on backwards, but whatever. Ta-da! Oh man, this is heavy. I think it's gonna make my car slower, adding all the weight. Oh, just kidding. I think I just wanted to do that. Oh, what? What is this? I didn't even ask for this, and they sent me a sticker. Can you believe that? They sent me a sticker. They sent me a picture of themselves. Look at that. They sent me the picture. Goodness gracious. So lucky. Oh. Dual ceramic ball bearing and the instructions. Great. Oh, I can't wait to do this. Yeah, I think I can figure that out. Let's see what's behind the picture. Oh, let me see if I can. Are you backwards? Are you seeing this backwards? You are. I am so sorry. How do I turn you around? Can I? I don't do videos. Turn around. Never mind, doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's see. What? Oh, I think I need 2 hands. Wow, it's blue. It's a blue bag. Look at that. I got this from Doc Racing. It's a Precision Turbo. And Precision Turbo was so kind enough to even give me a gasket. Oh my gosh. Oh, I found my jacket, my hoodie I've been looking for. I'm gonna need 2 hands, guys, because this is not cool. Holy crap, it's so big. Well, I get that a lot, but... and heavy. I'm assuming they wrapped it and taped it to ensure that it's been tested. I didn't read the instructions. Oh, wow. I see. It seems like it's been... There we are. Come on, unbox it already. Unbag it. There we go. I think I did it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. You know this gasket? I don't even need it for the install. That's the crazy part. I win, they lose. And this is looks like a certificate saying that they... No, I don't know what this is. I guess they just want me to write to them. Huh. Maybe because they sent me a sticker. Alright, what everybody wants to see. I don't know if you can even see this thing. There it is. Everybody wants to see that. Yeah. It's so heavy, I think it might slow my car down. Anyways, let's go in with the install. And start up my car, because I haven't started it. Yeah, I haven't been home for a week. And so I'm just going to do a real quick install with my battery charge. Charger's still there, it doesn't matter. And I've seen some videos that do a single turbo install. And I don't know, I just don't get it. I'm not sure why it takes them like 40 something minutes just to install a turbo. Single turbo, remove the old one. You don't even need to remove the old one. You just put them right here. Make sure you clock the turbo right. You know, you don't have to worry about the exhaust ports. You just gotta make sure that that's facing down. So I've seen, what happens is the turbo blows down right here. It blows down and cools off the intercooler, and that's what helps pick up or drop temps. And you know, with drop temperatures you get better horsepower, and that's basically it. Now single turbo is installed. Ta-da! I'm not sure how they were able to close the hoods, but I'll figure it out. Let's see if I got my money's worth. First start since I've been gone. Oh my my gosh. Yeah. Yep. It's idling really well. It's 50 degrees. Keep looking at the wrong area. Let's hear it. Ooh. Let's see if the turbo's working. It's not working. I think I need a ride to Dock Race and get my money back, or Precision, whoever. This is not good. Sounds good though. It's not spinning.